Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Dodge Charger in Drive Zone online. First, focus on accumulating in-game currency by consistently winning races and completing various challenges. Next, regularly visit the in-game dealership to see if the Dodge Charger is available for purchase. Sometimes, special events offer unique opportunities to unlock this powerful vehicle, so keep an eye on those announcements. To maximize your currency earnings, prioritize winning races, especially those with higher payouts. Don't forget to complete your daily challenges and missions, as these often provide substantial bonus currency and valuable items. When checking the dealership, remember that its inventory refreshes regularly, so if the Dodge Charger isn't there today, it might appear tomorrow. Patience is key to finding your dream car. For a quicker acquisition, consider saving any premium in-game currency you earn for direct car purchases, especially during sales. Joining an active club or team can also be beneficial, as many offer group rewards and bonuses that accelerate your progress. Always keep an eye out for in-game promotions or special events that might offer discounts on vehicles, including the Dodge Charger, making it more affordable. Once you've acquired your Dodge Charger, take the time to customize it to your liking, optimizing its performance for races and events. Get ready to dominate the leaderboards and show off your powerful new ride in Drive Zone Online. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.